Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a new series, and as requested, I am going to make quite a large junk journal from the start. And this is something I made quite a while ago, and I'm going to use this style to that journal that I'm starting now. Let me just quickly show you how this looks like. I have glued this ribbon on the spine. These papers are from Dot Studio Designs. This was a design team project for them. Let's see now. I will make some more room. The thing is that I needed some kind of a large calendar that contains year or half year half year sheets, and then monthly sheets and weekly sheets, and also for a sheet for one day, so that I can write, for example, any ideas I got, all the work that I have to do on one day, because I have quite a lot of obligations and things to do each day, and sometimes it's quite frustrating if you don't write them down, everything, so you could forget something important. But the problem is that, yes, I have a ton of calendars, but I need one large piece that I have everything compactly in it, and when I open it I can see all the different parts of the year and the month and the week and the day. And also I need to have, how should I say it, I already had an idea how to construct it and how to attach the papers in. I will show you that later on, but I will show you first this so you can get an idea, and also this that we're going to use as a basis. It's an animal encyclopedia of animals, and I've already got it, and this is the size. It's going to be quite large. I have two of them that I have got it. And the next time I will show you how I use this. I will have to decide if I'm going to use this spine that it already has and just reinforce it, or should I cut the spines all out and make another spine. We'll see the practice, or sorry, I'm forgetting words today. They say that the proof of the pudding is in the eating, so plans and models are all very well, but proof of the pudding is in the eating. So as I go on making this journal, or calendar, I will see what decisions I have to do. So I usually don't have a plan to do almost anything. I will just start and see what comes of it. But here, let's just quickly flip through this. I I think I made a flip through earlier, but just so that you see what I have in mind. This journal has pockets. I am not sure if I'm going to be able to use pockets. We'll see. Maybe pockets on the outside on the covers. That would be an idea. Also here there are some pockets, but as we are going to add the sheets here, some pockets would be nice somewhere. Maybe here. Yes. Let's think about it while we wait to be able to continue this. These are really beautiful papers. I love these. And here I have coffee dyed these. As you see, they are quite grungy and dark. I wanted it to look ancient. There. Something like this. This is the basis. And more of it later. This is a start. If you have some kind of book covers that you don't need, maybe two of the same size, about the same size, take them ready for the next video, and you can join me while I create that calendar. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.